Hi guys, so today was on the 16th of July 2021. We in Tawela. It's in about 120 kilometers away from Suli. By car it takes 2 hours. And Tawela is just on a border between Iraq and Iran. And this place is an amazing place. You can walk for 5-6 hours. It's just inside the forest, and the forest is just the forest, and then a lot of type of different fruits, trees here, and there's a lot of shade in here. And one of kind of the fruit you can get is an apple. It's a small apple, and another one is a walnut. A walnut is, but this walnut is not ripe. It's a green. In Kurdish culture, even we can cut off the skin, and we can cut off the skin, and we can eat inside even before the ripe is get dry. And it takes time, but I heard this just take another 1 week to get ripe. But this one I can cut in that way, and as you can see, and here is a very nice, and I cut in the middle the skin, and you can see, and it's a very nice. You can see that the middle one, and inside you can take an inside out like that. But a small knife, but unfortunately I got a big knife, and it's okay. But and you take the walnut, the inside, the seeds out. You can see, and this one you can eat, and it's a very tasty. Oh, good. We can eat even not ripe, but oh, great.